Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In NumPy, the numpy.permute function is not directly available, but you can achieve similar functionality using the numpy.transpose or numpy.move axis functions. These functions allow you to change the order of axes, dimensions, of an array. ### tutorial on permuting axes in NumPy. ### introduction to axes. In a multi-dimensional array, each dimension is referred to as an axis. For example, a 1D array has an axis of length 1. A 2D array has two axes, the first axis, rows, and the second axis, columns. A 3D array has three axes, depth, height, and width. ### using numpy.transpose. The numpy.transpose function allows you to permute the axes of an array. You can specify the new order of axes as a tuple. Syntax. A. The input array. Axes, the desired order of the axes. If not specified, the axes are reversed. ### example of using numpy.transpose. ### using numpy.move axis. The numpy.move axis function is another way to permute axes. It allows you to move specified axes to new positions without needing to specify the full new order. Syntax. A. The input array. Source, the axis or axes to be moved. Destination, the position or positions to move the axes to. ### example of using numpy.move axis. ### summary. Use numpy.transpose when you want to specify the entire new order of axes. Use numpy.move axis when you want to move specific axes to new positions without specifying the entire order. These functions are very powerful for reshaping data, especially when preparing data for machine learning, data analysis, or image processing tasks. Understanding how to manipulate axes effectively can greatly enhance your ability to work with multidimensional data in NumPy.